Hello friends, welcome to Tutorials Point. In this tutorial, we will see how we can access the promotion management tool in the BO admin. So the promotion management tool, it allows you to move the BI resources from one repository to the another and also manages the dependencies of the resources and rolls back the promoted resources at the destination system if required. It also supports the management of different versions of the same BI resource. Promotion management tool is integrated with the central management console. You can promote a business intelligence resource from one system to another only if the same version of the BI platform is installed on both the source and the destination system. So let's see how we can access the promotion management system. So first of all, we have to log into the CMC. So once we log into the CMC, under the manage, we have promotion management. So to access the promotion management tool, we first go to the CMC and then we under the manage, we click on the promotion management. Any user with the view permission to the promotion jobs folder can launch the promotion management tool, but to create, schedule or promote a job, the user must be granted the additional rights by the administrator. So the rights, they can be guaranteed into the users and the folders area. So in this tutorial, we have seen how we can access the promotion management in the BO admin area. Thank you.